Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Napkin AI, an amazing tool that helps you turn ideas into visuals effortlessly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Napkin AI. What does Napkin AI do? Napkin is designed to turn text into visuals, whether it's a flowchart, workflow, or concept map. It's a game changer for business professionals creating quick visual reports, students and educators simplifying complex ideas, content creators making graphics for social media, anyone who loves brainstorming visually. In the top right corner, you'll see the Get Napkin Free button. Click on that. Create an account. You can sign up using Google account or just your email account. After that, Napkin AI will ask you a few simple questions. Just answer them and you're in. Now that we're inside, let's create our first project. Click on Create My First Napkin. You'll see options for adding text. I'm going to select Generate Text using AI. Next, you can choose from the recommended prompts. I'll go ahead and pick one. Click Continue, and in just a few seconds, Napkin AI will generate some text for you. Super simple, right? But here comes the real magic. Now select all the text and let's turn this text into a visual. Hover over the paragraph and you'll see a blue button that says Generate Visual on it, and watch Napkin AI do its thing. In just moments, you'll have a visual representation of your text. You can even pick a design that best suits your style. And that's it. Napkin AI makes idea visualization super easy. Want to customize it? No problem. Click on any element to rename, resize, or change color. Manually draw shapes and Napkin auto detects them. Type hi and Napkin will suggest icons for you. Save your diagram as PNG, SVG, or PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more awesome content like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.